In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to upload Instagram stories from your PC. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Then navigate to the website of Instagram, provide your credentials and log into your account. After you log in, click on three dots given at the top right. Then head over to the option More Tools. Then click on the option Developer Tools. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of page. A new panel will appear on the side or bottom of your screen. Now at the top of that panel, click on the device icon next to the word Elements. This switches your view into mobile mode. Now your Instagram page will shrink down and look like it's on smartphone. You can use the drop-down menu at the top of the developer window to choose any phone model you want, like an iPhone or a Galaxy device. If it's not in a portrait mode, click on the rotate button to fix it. Once it looks like on a phone screen, refresh the page. After refreshing, you'll now see your story icon appear at the top. Just like on mobile device, click on it and you'll be able to upload an image or video from your computer to create your story. Keep in mind that since this is the browser version, editing options are limited, but you can still add basic stickers, draw using the pen tool or add text by selecting the respective icons. Customize your story however you like, then tap done. Once you are finished, click add to your story and Instagram will upload it. You will see a message confirming that your story was successfully added. You can now go back to Instagram.com and view it directly on your profile by clicking your profile picture. Your story will open just like it does on mobile. When you are done, simply close the Developer Tools panel by clicking the X in the top right corner. Then refresh the page to return Instagram to normal desktop mode. So this is how you can easily upload story on Instagram using your PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.